Facebook login problem, login code not received, instant fix. So if you're not being able to receive the Facebook code that it might send to other devices or maybe to your phone number, first thing, that do not try from the same tab over and over again. Instead, just go ahead and then close the Facebook app completely. If possible, you can try to uninstall the app and reinstall and try to log in, or you can go to storage and make sure to clear the cache and clear the data. Now you can reopen Facebook application and then you can try to log into another account. Normally when it asks you for a code, it will send the code to your current device where your account is still logged in. So you might try to want to check your old device and accept it, but you can also turn on via notifications via SMS, and once you get the code via SMS, you'll be logged into your Facebook account completely, and this way you'll be able to log into Facebook. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.